Hello guys, I am Hitesh Tripathi and I am your instructor via Newton School. And today in day 10 of this playlist, that is data structures and algorithms, okay, we are going to learn stack. Stack Stack is basically a data structure, okay, linear data structure. So in this video we will learn about brief in stack, okay, brief about stack. Then we will see stack implementation, okay, how we can implement this data structure stack, okay. And then what we have about a stack in STL C++, okay. So and in further videos we will dig deep in a stack, okay, see different implementation and modification of a stack and its different very important applications, okay. So before starting today's video, let's see what Newton School is. Basically, Newton School is an e-learning platform in which they are providing you placement trainings, okay. So in by placement training I mean is they will train you for being a full stack developer. So they will teach you everything like front end development, back end development, programming languages, data structures and algorithms, and then your different core subjects, okay. So basically they will train you as a full stack developer, okay. And then not only this much, they will also get you placed in these different companies. Yes, like Snapdeal, Teachment, Xiaomi, Lenskart. So they have tie up with almost 300 companies of India. So firstly they will train you for 6 months and then they will refer you to these companies, okay. So you just need to come to their website, that is newtonschool.co, and check their pay after placement program. So this is an amazing thing about Newton School, that under pay after placement program you don't need to pay even a single penny until and unless you get placed in any of these companies, okay. So it is a great thing, like just come to newtonschool.co and explore and get to know more about pay after placement program, okay. Not only this, these days they also have a new initiative, that is Launchpad, under which they are providing you everything for free, okay. You just need to come newtonschool.co and check their Launchpad initiative and sign up for free and start learning. So there are different courses which you can join for free, like for core subjects, for frameworks of development, front end and back end both, for programming languages and competitive programming, DSA in different languages, in more than one language like English, Hindi and other cultural language also, okay. So you just need to come to newtonschool.co and check their pay after placement program and Launchpad initiative and get the most out of it, okay. Okay, then again, if you haven't subscribed this channel, that is Code Kitchen Newton School, just go to YouTube and subscribe this channel. I am posting one video every day in which till now I have taught you C++, everything in C++, and then STL in C++, okay, like different types of containers and and some important techniques also which you will use in competitive programming. And now we have already headed towards data structure and algorithms, and we have learned searching and sorting techniques, algorithms, okay, till now. And in today's video we are going to learn about stack, our first data structure, and it is easy data structure but it is very important, okay. So let's see here what is a stack. So basically stack is a linear data structure, okay. Like we have arrays. I have already taught you about arrays in previous playlist, that is C++ tutorials. So array is also a linear structure, linear data structure in which we place some data, okay, in linear structure, okay. Like हमारे पास क्या है, we have some data and we have to put that data in some container, okay. In that case we use data structures to structure our data in some format, and that's why we use arrays, okay. Now in the same way we have some data structure that is known as stack, okay. हमारे पास stack है and we use stack to place data in some structured format, okay. And why we use stack? Obviously because stack has some specific features, okay. सो स्टैक के कुछ स्पेसिफिक फीचर्स होते हैं and because of that specific features we use stack data structure. Okay, like I will tell you later in this video क्या क्या इसके specific features होते हैं. Okay, so for now it is clear that stack is a linear data structure, okay, in which data is putted or data is placed in some structured format, and we use stack because it has some specific features. Okay, now again you have definition here. Stack is a linear data structure which follows a particular role order in which the operations are performed. And now second line here is the order may be LIFO. Okay, fine. So what is this now? Order of data is LIFO in stack. So this is very famous line, or many interviewers will ask you this question. Okay, like order of stack. Okay, so you just need to answer that is LIFO. Now what is this? Simply you can check it from its full form, that is last in first out. Okay, so what is this? The element which is placed last in the stack will move out first. Okay, so it simply means कि मान लो you have some linear data structure. Okay, और तुम उस पे suppose, let me explain it here. Suppose you have some container, okay, and you have placed some data in it. Like you have different elements 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, you placed 1, then you placed 2, then you placed 3, then you placed 4, then you placed 5 here. Okay, and then you placed 6. Okay, so you placed 6 elements in this stack data structure. Okay, now you need to remove some element. तुम्हें कोई element अब इससे निकालना है. So तुम कौन सा element सबसे पहले इससे निकालोगे? Okay, these elements are arranged in this order. So obviously you will remove element from the top. Okay, so this is the feature, or you can say a specific feature of stack. You can only remove element from the top of the stack. That's why we say it like LIFO. Why? The element which is lastly placed, that is 6, जो element तुमने last में place किया है stack में, will be firstly popped or will be firstly extracted, that is last in first out. Okay, that's why you will remove 6. Okay, now top में तुम्हारा कौन सा element होगा? 5. So after 6 you can remove 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. Okay, so simple easy peasy concept that जो भी एलिमेंट तुमने लास्ट में प्लेस किया है उसको तुम सबसे पहले निकालोगे, उसके पहले कोई भी एलिमेंट तुम नहीं निकाल सकते. फाइन फाइन. नाउ this was our main and one and only property of stack. Fine, and in these cases only, because of this specific feature, we use stack. Okay, now stack may be kind आपको simple लग सकता है. Okay, but it has many applications. Okay, so इसकी बहुत सारी applications हो सकती हैं, and we will see later on this playlist that applications of stack. Okay, so right now हमें stack पता चल गया है क्या. अब again in this data structure we will be having some functions, you can say. Okay, like functions से आप समझ सकते हो some properties, और जो functions आप इस पे implement कर सकते हो. Okay, so there are different functions. One is like you can have some function empty to check कि तुम्हारे stack में कोई element है या नहीं. Okay, second function that can be here is your topmost element. Okay, क्योंकि तुम obviously LIFO ऑपरेट करते हो, ठीक है, तो तुम topmost element रख सकते हो किसी भी हालत में, ठीक है, top element. Now third element in some container will be like delete. ओके। और डिलीट को तुम क्या कर सकते हो, पॉप, यू कैन ऑल्सो से इट पॉप। तो इन स्टैक वी टर्म डिलीट एज पॉप। पॉप मीन्स सिंपली पॉप आउट दिस एलिमेंट, ओके। Like in vector we have pop back, in stack we have pop, fine. Now fourth element can be push. Obviously this is some data structure and you are going to push or place some elements, so fourth function of a stack is push, okay. So these all are general functions of a stack, okay. There can be more than this functions, और भी functions हो सकते हैं, लेकिन ये जो चार functions हैं these are most general and mostly used functions, okay. So top will obviously tell you last or last element in the stack that you can pop, okay. Empty will obviously tell you that whether your stack is empty or not. Pop will obviously remove one element from the top, and push will place one element at the top, okay. So these are four functions. Now again you can see them here, that push, pop, peek or top, okay. So peek will simply give you the top element and top will also do the same, fine. And is empty is the function which will check whether your stack is empty or not, okay. Now till now we have learnt everything about a stack. Now we can implement, obviously stack is some data structure, okay, and we have to implement it. स्ट्रक्चर वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न, हमने C++ में स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ा था, ठीक है। तो हमें अब किसी डेटा का स्ट्रक्चर ऑब्वियसली बनाना पड़ेगा, है ना, तभी हम उस डेटा स्ट्रक्चर को यूज कर सकते हैं। सो वी कैन बिल्ड स्टैक इन टू फॉर्म्स, दैट इज स्टैक यूजिंग एरेज एंड स्टैक यूजिंग लिंक लिस्ट। सिंस अभी तक हमने लिंक लिस्ट जो है वो भी एक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर और एरेज भी एक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर है, ठीक है, एंड लिंक लिस्ट भी एक डेटा स्ट्रक्चर है। अभी तक हमने एरेज पढ़ा है और लिंक लिस्ट नहीं पढ़ा, दैट्स वाई इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न स्टैक यूजिंग एरेज, ओके। और नेक्स्ट और आने वाली वीडियोस में जब हम लिंक लिस्ट पढ़ लेंगे तो एज अ एप्लीकेशन वी विल ऑल्सो सी स्टैक यूजिंग लिंक लिस्ट, ओके। सो राइट नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट स्टैक यूजिंग एरेज, ओके। सो फर्स्ट फंक्शन, अब हमें एरेज का यूज करके स्टैक इम्प्लीमेंट करना है, ओके। तो अगर आपने एरेज अच्छे से पढ़ रखे हैं, वी कैन सिंपली यूज एरेज टू इम्प्लीमेंट अ स्टैक इन अ सिंपल वे, ओके। लेट्स डिफाइन अ टोटल एरे ऑफ सम मैक्स साइज, ओके, और टोटल नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स जो आपके स्टैक में मैक्सिमम आ सकते हैं, ओके। तो हमने एक मैक्स डिफाइन कर लिया, दैट इज लेट्स से 100, कि हम 100 से ज़्यादा एलिमेंट्स अपने स्टैक में नहीं डालना चाहते, ओके। नाउ लेट्स से वी हैव index, some index, or you can say initial index of top element, fine. जब हमारी array और this array is now our stack तो खाली है, ठीक है, तो top is equals to 0. now we need to implement our first function, that is push, okay. let's implement it. push function हमें अगर implement करना है, so push function में हमारे पास एक एलिमेंट आएगा x जो कि हमें अपने स्टैक में डालना है। तो स्टैक में हम एलिमेंट कहाँ डालते हैं, टॉप पोजीशन पे, ओके। सो व्हाट वी विल सिंपली डू इज वी विल मेक एरे ऑफ टॉप एज व्हाट, x, एंड दैट्स इट, ओके। हमने टॉप पोजीशन पे x फिल कर दिया, फाइन। नाउ सेकेंड फंक्शन कैन बी पॉप, ओके। और पॉप में हमें कोई एलिमेंट पास करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज पॉप विल ओनली रिमूव टॉप मोस्ट एलिमेंट, ओके, फाइन। सो पॉप में तुम्हारा सिंपली क्या हो जाएगा, पॉप फंक्शन, तुमने क्या किया, जो मान लो तुम्हें पॉप में करना क्या था, तुमने सिंपली क्या किया, एरे ऑफ टॉप, जो भी तुम्हारा टॉप मोस्ट एलिमेंट होगा, राइट नाउ वो x है मान लो, ठीक है, इस पॉप्ड, यू कैन प्रिंट इट हेयर, अगर तुम्हें पॉप एलिमेंट आया कि तुमने ये एलिमेंट पॉप कर दिया, और तुम सिंपली क्या करो, टॉप को माइनस माइनस कर दो, ठीक है। तो अब तुम्हारा टॉप पहले यहाँ पे था, दैट इज टॉप मोस्ट एलिमेंट, अब तुम्हारा टॉप वापस 0 हो गया, ओके। फाइन. वन मोर थिंग यू कैन चेक इज कि अगर तुम कोई एलिमेंट पुश कर रहे हो, ठीक है, और मैक्सिमम एलिमेंट्स इन स्टैक यू कैन पुट इज 100, ठीक है, तो मान लो कि अगर तुम 101th एलिमेंट पुश कर रहे हो, सो दैट थिंग यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक दैट इफ योर टॉप is already equals to max. Okay, in that case you can simply print that stack is full. Okay, or that condition is also known as overflow of stack. You can say overflow means something or your container is already full or there is overflow of data. Okay, that means stack can't hold more than these values. Fine, simply. Otherwise you can make array of, obviously at the topest position you have some element, so first thing you have to do is top plus plus. Okay, so in else, okay, if stack is not full then simply increase top by 1 and at that position you can put x, your element. Okay, fine. Now in pop, what you can check is, suppose you are going to remove some element from the stack. What if your stack is already empty? Okay, so you can check that here. Fine. If your top is already less than 0, okay, if your top is less than 0, that means you don't have anything in your stack. Fine. So in that case you can print that stack is empty. Fine. Or another thing what you can do is underflow. Okay, so empty state is also known as underflow, that is underflow of data, that is there is no data to remove from some container. Okay, fine. Otherwise what you can simply do is array of top is popped and just decrease top by 1. Okay, now we have two main and most used function of stack. What some other function is empty. So this is simply simple that if your top is less than 0 then you can simply write stack is empty. Fine, fine. So simply check if top is less than 0 then simply print stack is empty. Fine. What other function was topmost element. Okay, like peak, that is to know topmost element of a stack. For that what you can do is you can simply access array of top and this will give you topmost element of a stack. Okay, so these all are functions of a stack which you can implement using arrays, and these all are very simple. Okay, if you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. I will again tell you in brief in comment section. Okay, I have already implemented all the functions of a stack. Now suppose you have some question, okay, and you have to use a stack in that question and you are not going to implement these all functions first. Okay, so again we have STL in C++. Fine. And in STL we have everything, like most of the things pre-implemented. Okay, so we also have a stack in that is pre-implemented. Okay, and we can use simply a stack directly without implementing this. Fine. So we have a stack data structure in STL. For that, जब मैं आपको स्टैक STL पढ़ा रहा था तो मैंने आपको सिंपली बताया था कि सिंटेक्स क्या होता है. ठीक है, सिंटेक्स अब स्टैक का कैसे हो सकता है. सबसे पहले STL का नाम लिखो, दैट इज स्टैक. डेटा टाइप जो भी आप उसके अंदर स्टोर करने वाले हो, सपोज इंटीजर एंड इट्स नेम. Now we have some stack data structure in which we can store integer type data. Fine. Now here are some pre-built functions we can use in a stack. Like other containers, stack is also a container, like we were having vectors. Okay, so in that way we can use also stack. Simply suppose we need to push some element in this S data structure. So what we use is push function, s dot push x, and it will simply push some data x in your stack. Okay, now you want to access some topmost element of stack, so you will simply write s dot top and it will return you x. Fine. Now you need to check the size of a stack. You can simply write s dot size and it will return you 1, because right now only one element is in the stack. Okay, now if you want to pop, you can simply pop s dot pop and it will pop x out and your stack will again become empty. Okay, so in this way you can use all these functions from STL stack. Okay, and stack is very simple data structure, but it is very important data structure. So this is it for this video, and in the next video we are going to learn applications of a stack. Okay, and some questions also about a stack. Till now, if you haven't checked newtonschool.co, okay, just go to their website, check their pay after placement program and launchpad initiative, and you can also start learning for free, and you can also prepare for your placements. So just go to newtonschool.co and explore everything. Fine. And just go to YouTube and subscribe this channel, Code Kitchen Newton School, if you haven't done yet, and start learning C++ programming language, STL in C++, and data structures, whichever thing you want to know. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video.